If you're trying to turn off the silent mode on your Google Pixel phone, it's actually really simple, but the toggle can be a little bit hidden and hard to find if you're not familiar with this. So, step 1, locate the volume buttons on the side of the phone and just tap those volume buttons a few times. You'll see the volume slider appear on the side of your screen, and then on top of it, there's a little icon. So I'm going to bring up the volume slider and then tap that little icon up top. And there's 3 options here. The tricky thing is, if you don't touch anything for a few seconds, the whole thing goes away and you'll need to bring it back up. Anyways, on the top, you'll have your vibration mode. In the middle, you have the silent mode, and then the one with the speaker icon, that's your regular mode with the sound on. So if you want the silent mode off, you could set it to this volume on mode, or put it on vibrate if you want the vibration without any sound. If that still didn't do it, another thing that could cause your phone to be silent would be the do not disturb mode. And to check that, you can swipe down from the top right corner to view your quick settings, and swipe down again if you want to see the full panel of your quick settings. Then look into modes and make sure do not disturb is not enabled, because if it is, you're not going to hear your notifications or phone calls. I will just tap that to make sure it's off, then tap done, and we're all set. And that's how you turn off the silent mode on your Google Pixel phone. Go ahead and click that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more easy guides like this. Thanks all. Until next time.